Slots to Cruises. I was passing by. I saw this game. They were mostly at the top. I bet $1.76. I'm in Harris. Did I say that? And I popped the Ultra and the Double Up. So I put in loose $50 and let's see what we get. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna hit the play button down here. Okay, let's see. Boom. Double up. So Ultra spins. I get the bird. And come on, bird. $1. Nice. Can you do better? No bird at the top. Oops, sorry for the shakedown. $1. Let's land some minis and minors and majors, shall we? Especially at the top. There we go. Oh, the bird. Ooh, $6. Only one bird though. Here we go. Take a look. Keep the game going. $2. Thank you very much. $4. Even better. Okay. 244. I like it. $2 is good. They're getting bigger. Button. Nice. What did I get? Bird. The $5 one. Oops, sorry about that. This one's hard to film. I think I'm too close. Okay, let's hit the play button. Oh good. I got saved. We saved the bottom. With that. Alright, let's hit the play button again. I saw the minors and things going around. Thank you, bird. One on the bottom. No bird? No words. No birds, no words. Come on now, birds and words. Birds and words down here. Come on. Okay, $4 now. That's good. $3. $4. Birds and words, and I still got a few spins. Let's do it. Oh, I see the minors and things floating around, but I still haven't gotten one. Yeah, I still have a good amount of spins. Hit that button. Come on, birds and words. Birds and words. One bird, that's it. Okay, birds and words. Looking for birds and words. We're at Harris. Thank you very much. I made a friend. Oh, that's a good bird. More birds, more birds, more birds. Big birds, right? We want big birds. All right. Let's go it. Let's go. We need something on the bottom to save it. No, just birds. That's okay. We got the top. We can fill up the top and still take home the grand prize. Okay, we'll take the top. Can we get a minor or major or something? I'll take $1 and a bird. That's kind of pretty, huh? All right, big birds and big words. All right, $3, $5. I am on YouTube. I got a channel. It's called Slots to Cruises.
Oh, really?
Yep. Ooh, at $10. Yes. And I sat down at $50. I put $50 bill in. Yeah. So come on, right there. Magic number. Okay, I'll take a big magic bird. Well, you know, the probability. Yeah, so that probability, you don't even see anything. Whoops. My glasses just went off way my head. Can you? Thank you kindly. All right, no word, no, a little bit more bird, and the grand finale up top. Let's see what we got with our $1.76 bet. How'd you do over there next door? I saw you again pretty quick. Okay, and you had just sat down. Yeah, that's beautiful. I sat most. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay, bye. See you around. Keep going. How many more? Oh, good. We got another. Whoop. And survey says $152. Thanks for watching.